the Canadian prairies, the land and its resources, the three prairie provinces. The three prairie provinces are Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. The land is both mountainous and flat. Mountains are high masses of rock. Flat land means a land with no hills, valleys, or mountains. This is the prairie. Prairie means flat grassland. Prairie grassland is a treeless flatland. Water runs through the land. Lakes are large bodies of water surrounded by land. Rivers are flowing water. Products are what people sell to make money. To produce means how people make money. Prairie products from under the earth. Oil and gas are fossil fuels used for home heating, car fuel, etc. Potash is a rock used to make fertilizer. Prairie products that grow in the soil. Wheat is a grain used to make flour. Canola is a yellow plant used to make oil. Prairie products from animals. Beef is meat from cows. Hogs are pigs used for pork. Prairie products. Read about the source, product, and purpose of 6 main prairie products: beef, pork, wheat, canola, oil and gas, and potash.